Guys, I just got this bag of chicken breasts from my pals over at Good Ranchers. The only problem is it's very cold, rainy, and it's December in Indiana. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna break out the Instapot, and I'm gonna show you how to make pulled chicken in an Instapot right now. It's very easy. So my favorite thing about Good Ranchers is that all you gotta do is hop online, place your order, and a couple days later, your meat is at your door. Not only do they send you a copious amount of chicken in this bag, but they go ahead and individually wrap it so you can eat them whenever you want based on your portion / family size / whatever size. You can check them out at goodranchers.com or at Good Ranchers everywhere. Guys, now that we have our chicken open and ready to go, we're gonna pop this open. Now, the cool thing about this recipe is you can literally just throw straight frozen chicken in here. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever whether it's frozen or not, except for on time. We're gonna cook it about 12 minutes. I'd cook it about 10 if you're thawed out. This recipe is literally stupid easy, guys. We're just gonna take a little bit of chicken broth. We're gonna pour it right in over the top of it. Not a lot, just enough to create a little flavored moisture, right? We're gonna take a little bit of that Skull and Mortar OG barbecue sauce. Guys, that's gonna go right in on top. Bam, just a little bit, just a couple tablespoons maybe. Then we're going to take about a teaspoon of liquid smoke, maybe a tablespoon. Let's go with a tablespoon. And our most important ingredient, that barbecue rub right over there from Skull and Mortar. We're gonna pop it open and we're going to give it a healthy dose of that barbecue rub. Guys, that's literally all the prep work that this recipe needs. It's that simple. Next, we're gonna go ahead and slap our lid on, make sure that we're not inventing on the top. We're gonna head right here, we're gonna hit pressure cook. We're gonna slam this bad boy down to 12 minutes. It only takes about 12 minutes from frozen. But we're gonna max out that pressure level. Guys, that's literally all she wrote for the chicken. We're gonna let the Instant Pot do its thing. Guys, we are already done. Let's pop this open. Check out this moist ass chicken in here. Come on, dogs. Now I see you looking at it through the fog here, and you're thinking to yourself, man, this doesn't look so great. But give it 1 second. We're gonna spice it up just a little bit. Whew, steaming hot. Couldn't be any more hot. Look at it though. Throwing chicken everywhere, why not? Now we're gonna take the pot and we're gonna pour just a little bit of the juice back in. Not a lot, just a couple tablespoons, maybe 3, 4. Guys, this isn't traditional barbecue, so we're not going for the hard flex. So we're just gonna drop just as much sauce as you would like back in there as well. I'm gonna put a good amount in there. Again, I'm looking for barbecue flavor, and I'm not looking for something I can turn in at the booth, right? But at the end of the day, we wanna make sure that we have a killer barbecue sandwich, right? Not just the pulled chicken. So we got nice, moist, juicy, pulled chicken, great barbecue flavor. We're gonna throw that right on top here. And then we're gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce. Then I wanna spice up my chicken just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of that Skull and Mortar Release the Kraken Sriracha barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna drizzle that right over the top. Just like so. Look at that. That's right. Get a good medium heat to it. A nice flavor. Tell me that thing doesn't look delicious, guys. And that came out of our Instant Pot. So Fred's gonna help me taste test this one, guys. We got it sauced up. We got it bunned up. Instant Pot pulled chicken. There you go, brother. That's all you. Let's take a bite. That Release the Kraken sauce.
Feel it go over the.
It's good. What do you think?
Good. Wish I didn't fall out of the bun though.
Well, it's pulled chicken, dude. It is what it is. That being said, dude, it's perfectly acceptable on a cold and rainy day to make your pulled chicken in the Instant Pot. And you're going to get a decent pulled chicken sandwich. F them haters, my dudes. Cook barbecue your way. However, I mean, he obviously likes it. He's eating it off the cutting board at this point. So, skullandmortar.com for all of your barbecue needs. We'll be back next week. We're going to try some new stuff. We're going to do some different kinds of videos. I think I got something special on deck that you guys are going to like coming up. So stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. And at the end of the day, holler at your boy.